I can't believe it. This domino chain fell as if it were controlled by magic. Every movement was so precise that it was hard to believe. This is the workflow in a modern sawmill, where industrial conveyor technology plays a central role in the processing of raw wood into boards. The entire system operates smoothly, starting with the reception of raw materials. The raw wood moves seamlessly on the conveyor system, precisely guided to the sharp saw blades. Here, automated cutting technology maximizes efficiency. Each piece of wood is carefully cut, resulting in boards of uniform size. The Europe Chipper's EC1060 not only crushes wood, but also eliminates the concept of delay in forestry operations. Equipped with a 456 horsepower cat engine, this machine can easily turn large logs into wood chips in just a few seconds. Every time the machine operates, we are like witnesses to a performance of power and speed. You are following the entire process of creating tabions, the shingles that are a hallmark of Swiss architecture. To produce this material, the craftsman must combine precise techniques and meticulous attention to detail. Each panel goes through many stages, from hand splitting, surface polishing, to uniform shaping, all done with patience and This is a fierce confrontation between modern technology and the enduring power of nature. On one side is the Bandit 21 XP, a machine powered by a 275 horsepower Cummins engine, ready to crush any obstacle. On the other side is the Microcarpa eucalyptus tree, famous for its ultra-hard core, nearly unyielding. This is not just an ordinary showdown, but a challenge between steel and wood, between the precision of engineering and the tenacity of nature. Watch this demonstration of machine control with skill and experience. On rough and complex terrain, the worker masters the equipment with precision and confidence, a moment that will make any heavy machinery enthusiast stop to observe and admire. Made from hard ox steel and equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, the WE Stump grinder delivers exceptional strength and durability. This machine is capable of crushing tree stumps and large trunks into small pieces in a short amount of time. With a modern design, the machine always ensures high performance and enduring operation over time. Getting over the hill by myself is almost impossible with the heavy wood truck. However, with the support of the bulldozer behind, every difficulty becomes easier. This is not just a technical coordination, but also a clear illustration that in work, teammates are always an essential factor. Let's talk about making your job easier. This is exactly what the Moorbark Talon is doing right now. Just look at how it cuts through the stumps. You will see the smoothness in every movement. The OU40 version in this video is directly connected to the hydraulic system available on the machine. No need to change configurations. No need for auxiliary parts. This is the process of removing tree stumps using a core drill. This method is fast and saves a lot of time and effort. The drill bit spirals deep into the core, breaking the internal structure in just a few seconds, completely replacing the old heavy manual methods. The Bugnot BFTP grinder is a machine that turns stubborn tree stumps into wood chips in just a few seconds. No digging is required, no transportation needed. Everything is handled neatly on site. This process not only saves time, but also leaves behind a layer of nutrient-rich mulch, improving soil quality. Valtra N154E, active combined with Nisela 325H harvester head, has created a powerful wood cutting machine. The compact design of the Valtra N154E active allows the equipment to move flexibly in mountainous forest terrain. Meanwhile, the Nisela 325H with its flexible harvester head ensures that the productivity of wood extraction is always maintained. If you are looking for efficiency in wood exploitation, this machine will be the ideal choice. This guy and the Zanoa are working like a perfect couple. Each cut is decisive. Each rhythm of the machine is harmonious, as if they understand each other without needing to speak. No sudden jolts, no need for much adjustment, just the precision that comes from experience and a machine. The Valtra A93 is not ostentatious. It proves itself through actual effectiveness. The pull is definite. The tires grip the ground firmly, gliding over difficult terrain as if on a flat surface. Hauling heavy loads? As easy as flipping a hand. A machine born to do serious work in the deep forest. Unbelievable. Such large logs are processed in the blink of an eye. The machines work as if they were programmed to perfection. The whole production line operates smoothly, like a piece of music. The wood splitter does not destroy the wood, but simply splits it in a reasonable way. Similar to life, when facing too much pressure, sometimes the right thing to do is to cut it into smaller parts. In the snowy forest, the John Deere 753J quietly proves its power. With a sharp cutting head system, the machine easily cuts down tree trunks in just a few seconds. Moreover, the powerful engine and high chassis design allow the machine to operate stably even on slippery, snowy terrain. Without any ostentation, the John Deere 753J still affirms itself as a reliable machine in the forestry industry. The Camox F175 is setting a completely new standard in forestry operations. Remote control, precise responsiveness, and flexible movement even on the roughest terrains. This is not just a machine, it's a leap forward in performance and safety. The Hitachi Zaxis 200 is designed to optimize performance in all construction conditions. The combination of a flexible structure and specialized trimming attachments enables the machine to handle clearing and digging tasks more quickly. As a result, not only does it shorten operating time, but it also significantly reduces fuel consumption. It is clear that the tree cutters are highly skilled, but it seems they have forgotten to ensure safety during the tree felling process.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know why.
This tree stump is stubborn. Although the truck has used its strength skillfully, it seems like it refuses to yield.
Look at the top. Oh my. Look right here.
The way this carpenter sawed the tree was like he was toying with fate. Luckily, death let him off this time. He was almost in danger. Luckily, the god of luck protected him. Scania not only transports firewood, but also masters the unloading process. Wet wood is heavy and difficult to control, but the vehicle handles it neatly and decisively. Every movement demonstrates stability, from the chassis to the hydraulics. A clear example of practical performance comes from the right design and standard technology. This guy is not an ordinary lumberjack. He is like a wood destroyer. Each cut he makes forces the forest to submit. Perhaps all he needs is a saw, and he will conquer the entire forest. The MTZ-82 tractor, when combined with the Arbro 400 cutting head and Palm 670 crane, becomes a durable and highly efficient working machine. From felling trees, removing branches, cutting wood into sections, to moving heavy logs, everything is handled flexibly and easily. The sturdy structure allows the machine to operate stably, even in the harshest conditions. If you need a powerful, versatile device to support logging, this is an option worth considering.